Are you searching for a sound system that doesn't just play music but brings it to life? Do you want deep bass, clear highs, and features that cater to all your audio needs? Then, let's discuss the Euroken EK-601 woofer system. It's designed to be the heartbeat of your home entertainment setup. Stick around as we unpack what makes the EK-601 a standout in its category. With a massive 20,000 watts peak music power output, also known as PMPO, the EK-601 is built to dominate your space with booming bass and crisp, detailed sound, and has a root mean square of 70 watts in total. The items inside the box are remote control, one manual, one crocodile clip for 12-volt DC input, and AUX cable for direct connection to input device. This beast features a 6.5-inch subwoofer that brings thunder to your bass, and three 3-inch satellite speakers that fill the room with clarity and detail. No matter how you like to listen, the Euroken EK-601 is built to adapt to your lifestyle. Kick back and stream your favorite playlists wirelessly with Bluetooth mode, perfect for effortless pairing with your phone, tablet, or laptop. Craving some old-school charm? Switch to FM mode and tune in to your go-to radio stations for music, talk, or sports on demand. Plug in a USB flash drive or SD card, and the EK-601 instantly becomes your personal DJ, playing your favorite tracks with just a tap. Want total control? Use AUX mode to connect directly to your device, from laptops and TVs to mixers and projectors. And when you're on the move or setting up outdoors, the DC 12 volts input with crocodile clip powers your sound anywhere, anytime. No limits, no compromises. With the EK-601, you're always connected, always in control, and always in the mood to play. No matter where you are in the world, the Euroken EK-601 is ready to power your sound. With a wide AC voltage range of 100 to 240 volts, it works seamlessly in any region. No adapters, no limitations. Just plug it in and let the music flow. But the freedom doesn't stop there. When you're outdoors, off the grid, or on the road, the EK-601 switches gears with its DC 12V input. Just hook it up to a car battery or portable power source using the included crocodile clip, and your party goes wherever you do. From global compatibility to mobile convenience, this system is designed to amplify your lifestyle, anytime, anywhere. The EK-601 has a wide frequency range. You'll get a wide frequency response from 50 Hz to 20 kHz, offering deep bass, clear mids, and sparkling highs. The subwoofer covers 50 Hz to 250 Hz, handling the low-end rumble with power. The satellites work within 250 Hz to 20 kHz, adding clarity and balance to the overall soundstage. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or vibing to your favorite playlist, the EK-601 gives you hi-fi quality sound that truly fills the room. So, what makes the EK-601 better than the rest? Let's break it down. 1. A wide voltage range of 100 to 240 volts. This means stability and reliability, even in areas with power fluctuations. 2. A larger remote control means more space, functions, and convenience in your hands. 3. Copper cables used in the satellite speakers provide superior conductivity and sound quality compared to the industry's standard wires. And finally, 4. A 13-month warranty, going beyond the typical 6 to 12-month range offered by most competitors. That's confidence you can count on. The Euroken EK-601 3-channel woofer system brings together powerful 70-watt output with crystal-clear sound, modern connectivity options, and thoughtful design that puts you in control. From Bluetooth streaming, USB support, SD card support, FM ready, AUX inputs, wide frequency range, and stable power support, this system is built to impress, entertain, and last.